We are finally on the way, only about an hour or 2 or 3 later than expected. Heading up to Watt Werks to get the rear end fixed on the E36, fabricating it to prepare it for the Regier Suspension. So we got a nice little road trip, what, about 5-hour trip?
Yeah.
Counting stops and stuff, so.
At least the heat works.
Yes, heat works in the van. It was like 19 degrees this morning, so we're gonna be on our way. Hopefully it doesn't turn into like a roadkill show, which I feel like it already has. We had to replace the starter in the van, and the battery was dead in the rally car, so it's been fun, but we're on our way.
Alright, if you made it this far, please hit that like button. That'll just help the algorithm, and we can get these videos out and make rally more known to people. It's an exciting sport, and we just love doing it. I forgot the video more while I was there at Watt Werks. He's going to be doing, putting on the Reiger Suspension. He's going to be reinforcing the lower control arm, the handle, and he's going to be reinforcing the strut towers and tying them into the subframe just to strengthen everything up. And he's going to be installing all of this stuff over here. All these parts are going to be going on it. He's going to install them for him since he's going to have the subframe down and everything. So I just told him to go ahead and do it. We got a couple of new sponsors. We got Hawk Performance. They're helping us out with some new rotors this year. Pretty excited to go ahead and throw those on. We're also got Hot Shot 107. That's a hot-shot trucking company. If you own a truck, you can be dispatched by them, and you can use a Ram 3500, 2500, Chevy 2500, and you can be truck driver driving across the country yourself. Pretty exciting business. And we also got Hummel and Plum Insurance. If you are in Ohio and need insurance, you're not going to find a better agent than Hummel and Plum. They take care of me very well, and they can take care of you as well. We got a new look this year. We got a wrap. Here is a sample. We'll be making more videos about that here soon, so you don't want to miss that. It's going to look good. I'm excited about how that's going to turn out. Our first race this year is going to be Bristol Forest Rally on May 13th through the 14th. We will be down there racing. I'm pretty excited. We're going to have more horsepower this year, a new look, and a great crew. So we're excited and can't wait. Please, again, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, and keep in touch with us. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment, and I'll gladly answer any question you have. Until next time.